Hello and welcome back to my lesson series for reading music on the guitar. Today we're going to be taking a look at eighth notes, which are really tricky and really important. Eighth notes are what allow us to start playing some more interesting rhythms in our songs. I found that new guitar players can get stuck on eighth notes sometimes, so I'm going to explain them as simply as I can so that you can really feel confident with how they work. If you're new here, check the description for lesson 1 so you can follow along my step-by-step guide on how to read music on the guitar. Also in the description is this PDF, which you can get absolutely for free. And today we're going to be taking a look at page 11. Alright, so the first thing we'll need to be able to do is just recognize what the eighth notes even look like, right? So most of the time we'll see them like this. This is a pair of eighth notes that are beamed together. They look just like two quarter notes that have this beam running across the top. Sometimes you'll also see single eighth notes that aren't in a pair, and it'll have a little flag on it instead of the beam. But today all of our eighth notes are going to come in pairs. Eighth notes allow us to split the beats up in half. Each eighth note lasts for half of a beat. This means that a pair of them will fit in the space of one quarter note. You can see in this example that a measure of 4/4 has 4 beats, but it also has 4 off beats in it. Off beats are spaces just exactly between two beats, and we label them with the word and. This measure is full of eighth notes, and we can really clearly see the beats and the off beats. Count along with me. You can see the quarter notes go 1, 2, 3, 4, just like we're used to. And the eighth notes go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You have to set up your inner beat and try to find a spot right in between two beats to place the and. Now, if you're a pick user like I am, the standard advice is to try to do a downstroke on the beat and an upstroke on the off beat. So whenever you're playing quarter notes, you'll go down, 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 but eighth notes are going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Play this a couple times with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just as we practice setting your inner beat in the first couple of lessons, eighth notes really take some intention and some getting used to. Try really hard when you set your inner beat to feel the off beats as well. Don't just count 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to always be aware of the off beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, try this first exercise with me here. This one's not much of a song. It's really just meant to help you practice placing your eighth notes. Set your inner beat and really try to feel these off beats too. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Like I said, these eighth notes are tricky. I really would highly urge you to rewind and try it a few times, even if you got pretty close. Alright, well I hope this next one looks familiar. This is Skip to Malou again. We did this song in one of the very early lessons, and now we're going to add some eighth note variation to it. You know the notes already, so keep a sharp eye out for the rhythms, and try to do your absolute best first try. Set your inner beat, and here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. great job. And I think you really deserve some congratulations here. You've made it really, really far with this reading music. Skip to Middle with the eighth notes is a good one to spend some extra time with. Eighth notes are just going to get harder from here. In our next lesson, we'll have a few more songs that use eighth notes, and you'll see what I mean. It gets complicated pretty quickly. Enjoy your practicing. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson, and I will see you real soon.